Here's the workflow builder at the center of RenderDraw. This is where the expensive part of quoting finally becomes visible. Not the final quote document, not a generic automation diagram, the messy middle. Files come in, requirements get extracted, catalogs and data sources answer business questions, people review the risky parts. Then the output can move to pricing, proposals, Salesforce, CPQ, or the next system in the chain. Start with the canvas. Every node is a commercial decision point. Upload a drawing package, parse an RFP, query a connected catalog, ask for human approval, generate an output, push the reviewed result downstream. The value is not just speed, it is control. Teams can see what ran, what failed, what changed, and why the answer is safe to use. The block catalog is where this gets powerful. You are not asking a team to invent a process from scratch every time. They choose reusable blocks, file intake, AI extraction, branching logic, data source queries, record updates, approval gates, and generated documents. That means a workflow can be authored like a product surface, but governed like an operating process. Data sources matter because quoting does not live in one database. Salesforce, catalogs, pricing tables, project records, customer context, ERP data, and internal reference systems all shape the decision. Workflow Builder makes those sources part of the run instead of a side conversation in email or a spreadsheet. So when a requirement maps to a product or a record gets updated, the evidence stays attached to the workflow. Human gates are the ROI multiplier. The builder does not pretend every decision should be automatic. It routes exceptions to the right person, captures their review, and then keeps moving. That is how teams reduce rework without giving up accountability. Then, the run trace closes the loop. You can inspect the path from source material to structured output. You can prove which file was used, which block created the result, which human approved it, and which system received the handoff. That is the workflow ROI. Fewer manual rebuilds, fewer missed requirements, faster quote prep, cleaner approvals, and a process leadership can actually measure. This is the thing I want customers to feel. RenderDraw is not just making the quote prettier. It is turning the pre-quote chaos into an execution layer your revenue team can trust.